कुड़ी मैंने कहली मैंने जो दिल दे सोनिया मैं कि ना गोरी है ना 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 गोरी है. Hi guys, welcome back. I hope you guys are doing good. So what's new in your life? Let me know in the comment section. So I have a lot of hauls coming your way, so please stay tuned and subscribe if you haven't subscribed my channel. Please subscribe guys. Today's Shein haul includes all my home decor, like majorly home decor. As you guys know that I am shifting my house and I will be doing the interior by myself, so I'm very happy and I'm very excited, you know, to make you guys see. And of course मैं कुछ ना कुछ clippings videos ज़रूर बनाऊँगी of you know before and after and like whatever ideas you know उस तक जो मुझे आएंगे मैं definitely I'm gonna make a video. Without further ado, let's get into the video. Okay, the first beautiful thing which I wanted for so long time is my name's you know, my name's initial, my name's letter, first letter. And I have seen so many YouTubers and so many people, you know, using this. Moving forward with more of lights, lightening the show is a fairy light, but this is such a beautiful, cute, you know, light, and this is in the shape of cactus. If you can see, there are small cactus, and it's so gorgeous, so beautiful. Next is again a light, but this is a USB light, so I won't be able to make you see guys right now, but this is 3 meters I guess, and this is the cable, and आप इसको plug करोगे. You just need an adapter with this, and it will glow. This is golden lights, fairy lights. So the next article that I got is a beautiful glasses and a very unique shape. This is how it looks. Next I got a beautiful gorgeous brushes, which are these. They are super soft, super affordable, and basically these are all the eye brushes I wanted for so long time. And and the beautiful, they're so gorgeous yaar. I love this bluish color, I love this blue color. Also I will be conducting a giveaway again for you guys. This giveaway will be very nice and very attractive, so please stay tuned and subscribe if you haven't subscribed. Also what giveaway I'm going to give you will be posted on my Instagram, so please don't forget to check my Instagram post. Next I got this beautiful 2 phone covers for my phone. I freaking love the marble print so much, and this is so attractive, so girly. Both costed me 225 rupees each. They are amazing, right? You know guys, I'm very surprised and happy at the same time कि Shein पे जो भी चीज़ें आप देखते हो वो exactly same आती है. whether it is apparels, whether it is your shoes, your bags, accessories, home decor, whatsoever. मतलब everything मैंने सब कुछ try किया and सब as it is आता है. काफ़ी लोगों ने मुझसे पूछा कि Shein पे मतलब कपड़े सही होते हैं, मटेरियल सही होता है. So I would say yes. Like my both the birthday dresses are from Shein, and I have no freaking complaint from Shein at all. My next haul would be a Shein's apparels, or I have a lot of I purchased a lot of makeup bags. So I'm gonna definitely make you see in the next haul. So please stay tuned. Then I got two beautiful cushion covers, which are to die for. And the fabric quality is outstanding, guys, outstanding. So one is this, and another is this summery coastal kind of cover. The material is very soft, and I'm so happy that I bought these. Then I have this beautiful artificial pot for the home decor. Everything is so affordable, guys. It's very affordable. I guess I paid 2,500 or 3,000 approximately for all these things. Then I got myself these masks. They are the compressed masks. I have a lot of DIYs to make. That's why I purchased this compressed mask. This is 16 pieces, and that's how they look. Then I got this beautiful blue artificial rose instead. Yeah, it is 5 stem, and that's super beautiful. I don't know, like these days I've been collecting a lot of home decors. I've been loving home decors. And मैं कहीं भी जाती हूँ, मैं सिर्फ home, मेरे दिमाग में हमेशा ये चलता था कि home decors, अच्छा ये furniture and all those things, just might be because I have to shift. So last thing which I got from Shein is a pair of 10 false eyelashes. So this is the packaging, and that's how they look. They are very lightweight, and सारे density के इसमें false lashes हैं. So that's all, guys. That's all I have to make you see. So let me know your experience from Shein, and please don't forget to comment, and I'll see you super soon.